Welcome, Cosmo explorers, welcome to our channel. Today, we embark on a journey to discover the dangers of space debris. When we look up from Earth, we see the open sky and it seems so peaceful and clear. All the images or videos of Earth we've seen so far on the internet show that Earth looks so clean and clear from the outside. But believe it or not, Earth doesn't always look like that from the outside. Instead, it looks like this, and the reason for this condition of Earth is us, humans. Before continuing, if you haven't already, remember to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next videos. On October 4th, 1957, humans launched the first artificial satellite, Sputnik 1, from Earth. And since then, more than 8,000 artificial satellites and space objects have been launched. These satellites are located just 2,000 km from Earth, in a region also known as low Earth orbit. But we must not forget that thanks to these satellites, humans can use advanced technologies like television signals, weather forecasts, or GPS. On the other hand, due to the debris from these satellites, we humans might face significant problems in the future. Today, these space debris rotate very quickly, and their speed is so high that if a small rock travels at the same speed and collides with another satellite, this rock can cause a huge explosion. Cleaning up this space debris is a big challenge for scientists. Of all the satellites sent into space so far, 2 or 3 have become junk, and the debris from these broken satellites has spread into space. The number of these debris pieces is about 1 billion. But how does so much junk accumulate? As we all know, a spacecraft is used in every space launch. Most portions of these vehicles, once separated, become inactive in space itself, later turning into waste material that continues to orbit the Earth. Along with this, even the dust and paint that come off these spacecraft are a type of junk, and all these debris orbit the Earth at a speed of 22,000 km/h. And if you think it's not a big deal, the front window of the Space Shuttle Challenger was damaged in 1983 by one of these debris pieces. This shows how dangerous space debris can be. As many of you may have seen in the Hollywood movie Gravity, the satellites in orbit also have a lifespan after which they become inactive, and due to inactivity, their connection with us is lost. These inactive satellites collide with other satellites, creating more space debris. Weather satellites orbit in low Earth orbit, and in this same region, more than 600 satellites orbit the Earth. On the other hand, more than 1,500 dead satellites are present in Earth's orbit. According to a report, at least 1 active satellite is destroyed each year due to these space debris. This junk is more dangerous for those living in the International Space Station. In 2014, due to these space debris, the International Space Station had to change position 3 times. At the rate at which these space debris are increasing, Earth will soon reach the condition of the Kessler syndrome, as discussed by Donald J. Kessler in 1978. In this condition, humans will never be able to undertake space missions again, because at the moment the space debris reaches low Earth orbit, the spacecraft will be destroyed by colliding with the debris itself, and it will take thousands of years for these debris to disintegrate in the Earth's atmosphere. Even if we completely stopped space missions to prevent space debris, it wouldn't make much difference because the active satellites present in space will collide with each other in the coming decades and break into thousands of small pieces that will completely surround Earth's orbit, making space missions almost impossible for humans. We all know about dangers like global warming, but this is a danger that very few people know about. Just as pollution within Earth harms humans, this problem is the same because if space missions are completely stopped due to the Kessler syndrome, in the future we will not be able to use technologies like television signals, weather forecasts, and GPS services. Because of this danger, in the future humans will fall very far behind in terms of technology. But today, there are many space agencies working on multiple missions to tackle these space debris. According to some reports, a process is being worked on to bring space debris back into the Earth's atmosphere to disintegrate, which will be remotely controlled. This robot will perform spacewalks instead of astronauts. The astronauts present in the space station will control this robot using an exoskeleton suit, and when this robot touches an object, they will feel like they touched it themselves. Just like water and air pollution within Earth, space scientists will also have to find a solution for this debris problem. Otherwise, in the future, we won't be able to use technology, the internet, GPS, or television. Could you live without technology like the internet? Let me know by commenting below, and if you liked this video, don't forget to like it and share it with your friends. Subscribe and activate the notification bell because we will continue to bring videos like this.